Good morning, 8th class students. I am in the chapter of frequency distribution tables and graphs. Now I am teaching about limits and boundaries. Okay. First you will see the matter. Suppose we have to organize a data of marks in a test. We make class intervals like 1 to 10, 11 to 20, etc. Read this 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. If a student gets 10.5 marks, where does it fall? In class 1 to 10 or 11 to 20? In this situation, we make use of real limits or boundaries. You say this table class intervals, limits, boundaries. Limit 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. Observe the table and read the matter. Consider the class interval shown in the adjacent table. Average of upper limit written as UL of first class and lower limit written as LL of second class becomes the upper boundary UB of the first class and lower boundary LB of the second class. Some abbreviations are there. UL upper limit, LL lower limit, UB upper boundary, LB lower boundary. That is average of 10 and 11. This is 10 and 11. 10 plus 11 by 2, 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5 is the boundary. Okay, this is. Now, all the observations below 10.5 fall into group 1 to 10 and the observations from 10.5 to below 20.5 will fall into next class, that is 11 to 20, having boundaries 10.5 to 20.5. Thus 10.5 falls into class interval of 11 to 20. You say this 11 to 20 limits, lower limit, upper limit, lower boundary, upper boundary. What is the how is the boundary of 21 to 30, 20.5 to 30.5? Okay, next. Imagine the UL of the previous class interval, usually 0, and calculate the LB of the first class interval. Average of 0, 1 is 0 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5 is the lower boundary. You say this 0.5. Similarly, imagine the LL means lower limit of the class of the last class interval and calculate the UB. UB means upper boundary of the last class interval. Average of 40 plus 41 is 40 plus 41 is equal by 2. 81 by 2, that is equal to 40.5 is the upper boundary. You say this. Okay, these boundaries are also called true class limits. These are limits, these are boundaries or true class limits. True class limits. Okay, you say this. Class interval, inclusive classes, limits, boundaries 1 to 10, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 10. Okay, 10, 11. There are different numbers, no equal numbers. Another table 10, 10. You say these two tables and differences are observed. 1, 10, lower boundary 0.5, upper boundary 10.5. How to calculate upper boundary? 10 plus 11, 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5. Like this, 10.5, 20.5, 30.5. Okay, 10 is added. How? 10, 20, 30. Difference is 10. Okay. Next table, you observed. Class interval, exclusive classes, inclusive classes, exclusive classes. Difference is there. You observed. 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Upper limit 10, lower limit 10. These are two equal. 0, 10. Limits are lower limit and upper limit. Boundaries are lower boundary and upper boundary. 0, 10. Lower boundary 0, 10. Upper boundary, how to calculate? 10 plus 10 by 2, that is equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10. Okay. 10, 20. Lower limit, upper limit. Lower boundary, upper boundary. 20, 30. Lower limit, upper limit. Lower limit, upper limit. There in the above illustration, we can observe that in case of a discrete series, means inclusive class intervals, limit and boundaries are different. But in case of continuous series, means exclusive class intervals, limits and boundaries are the same. Difference between upper and lower boundaries of a class is called class length, represented by C. Okay. You see, do this. I give an example. Okay, long jump made by 30 students of a class are tabulated as distance in centimeters, number of students. Upper limit 200, lower limit 201. These are different. Okay, these are different. That means class interval inclusive classes 10, 11 are different. Okay, 200 and 201 are different. Okay, you see this table and observe the questions and answer them. I see the answers tomorrow. Okay. Some important points. Representation of classified distinct observations of the data with frequencies is called frequency distribution or distribution table. Difference between upper and lower boundaries of class is called length of the class, denoted by C. In a class, the initial value and end value of each class is called the lower limit and upper limit respectively of that class. The average of upper limit of a class and lower limit of a successive class is called upper boundary of that class. The average of the lower limit of a class and upper limit of preceding class is called the lower boundary of the class. Okay, note these points.